अस्सलाम वालेकुम व्यूअर्स औज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम अल्लाहुम्मा सल्लि अला मुहम्मदिन व अला आलि मुहम्मद कमा सल्लैता अला इब्राहीम व अला आलि इब्राहीम इन्नका हमीदुम मजीद अल्लाहुम्मा बारिक अला मुहम्मदिन व अला आलि मुहम्मद कमा बारकता अला इब्राहीम व अला आलि इब्राहीम इन्नका हमीदुम मजीद औज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम Today we will describe the what is the calendar sect, calendar sequence, Qalanderia order. What is the Sufism Qalanderia order? Qalanderia order is the title calendar, meaning possess. What is I am writing here on the board? This is calendar in English, calendar. This word is Persian language, from Persian language. And it possesses two words, kul in Arabic, kul say. It means say or order or command. And the second is plus dar. It means possessor. The calendar order, calendar means man who commands, man who orders, a man who orders, a man who orders, and it will be occurred. It will be occurred. This is the sect, and divine knowledge comes a person if anyone awakens his spirit, a man who possesses a spirit man. In other words, you can say that a man who possesses a spirit, a man who possesses a spirit awakened. A man who possesses a spirit awakened. Now I have described in my previous introduction of Qalanderia Silsila, Qalanderia sect, Qalanderia order, that Allah Tabarak wa Ta'ala has made some spirits in a man. This is man shape. This is head of a man, and this is heart. This is heart. In Islamic languages, we say in Latifa Qalb, spirit of Qalb. spirit of qalb or heart. And here is the, and this is the left side. This is the left side. Left side. And this is the right side. Now this is heart. We have to awaken him, and this is a spirit or ruh or command or order. In Arabic language say him Latifa Ruh. Latifa Ruh. This is called Latifa Ruh. And here is Latifa Siri. 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 Latifa Siri. Siri means secret. And this is here it possesses khafi, hidden. This is called hidden. And here is Latifa Akhfa. This is khafi. This is Siri. And this is Akhfa. Akhfa means more hidden. It means more hidden. More hidden. From Adam to Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, every prophet have taught the lessons, the knowledge of heart to persons. Some prophets have relieved two letter names of God. Some prophets have relieved three letters of God, and some prophets have relieved four letters of God, four letter name of God, and some prophet have relieved five letter of God, name of God. Now suppose if we are there are two ways to get divine knowledges. First of all, the prophet side. This is the Adam. Heart belongs to Adam knowledge, and the key of the heart door belongs to Adam. The key of Ruh belongs to the Prophet Nuh and Prophet Ibrahim alayhi salam. And the Siri belongs to the Prophet Moses alayhi salam. The key of the knowledge of secret Siri knowledge belongs to Hazrat Musa alayhi salatu wasalam. And the Khafi is the key possesses, the owner of the Khafi key is Hazrat Jesus, Hazrat Isa alayhi salatu wasalam. Prophet Jesus possesses the key of the knowledge of Khafi. And Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam have a key of Akfa. And now I am here describing the other things. You know that this is heart column. In Qalanderia order, we say salam. We are getting the divine knowledge from the five sacred light and persons, which are Hazrat Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, Sayyida Fatima Salamullah Alaiha, Hazrat Imam Hassan Alayhi Salatu Wasalam, Hazrat Imam Hussain Alayhi Salatu Wasalam, and Hazrat Imam Ali Alayhi Salatu Wasalam. Mostly people say awakened, meditated in different ways. They got some knowledge, but we are producing here a right way of Qalanderia sect, Qalanderia order. How this is calendar, the key of in five personalities. This is the owner of the key is Fatima Salamullah Alaiha, Sayyida Fatima. Sayyida Fatima Salamullah. If anyone wants to awaken their qalb, then say salam to Sayyida Fatima Salamullah Alaiha and offers 2 rakat salat or nawafil for Sayyida Fatima Salamullah Alaiha and start the name of God, chant with respiration system, meditate and say Allah. Say Allah. Allah, if you belongs to another sect or a religion, you can say your God's name in your language. Allahu, Allahu, Allahu. You have to say not by sound but only sit and meditation, make a meditation position. The color of the qalb light is yellow color. Imagine the yellow color light, name of Allah written on your heart, and respiration system you have to chant the name of God, Allah. If your religion belongs to other religions, you can say the God of name revealed on your prophet. You can say, suppose on Adam alayhi salam, Prophet Adam, God revealed 3 letters name. I have already described that some name of God belongs 2 letters, some name of God belongs 3 letters, some name of God belongs 4 letters. And the element of kalam is fire. Now I am describing here the second spirit. It is called Latifa Ruh, and his color is red, and it belongs to the through the prophet system. It is its key possessors are Hazrat Noah and Hazrat Ibrahim alayhi salam. But if we are in Qalanderia's order, we have to offer Sayyidina Hazrat Imam Hussain alayhi salam. This is spirit. And color of spirit is red. Color of spirit is red. We have chant and imagined to this point name of God, Allah, in a red color, and element is air. And therefore you learn the teachings of Qalanderia order, that Qalanderia orders do practice in air, and they call him Shugle Hayrat. They sees themselves in air. Here you have to meditate, to imagine red color, name of God, Allah written on your spirit point. This is the point that is belongs to the Siri. Siri means secret. Through prophet system, it belongs to the Prophet Musa alayhi salatu wasalam, and according to the Qalanderia sect, it belongs to the Hazrat Ali alayhi salatu wasalam. Hazrat Ali. And the element is earth or dust. This divine key owner is Sayyidina Hazrat Ali alayhi salatu wasalam. Offer 2 rakat salat to Sayyidina Hazrat Ali alayhi salatu wasalam. Say name of God in your languages, and if you are Muslim, say name of God, Allah. this point through respiratory system, through meditation. The color of the Sri is white like a milk, white, milky white color is the color of Sri. And the knowledge of Sri you can get here. And here is the prophet Jesus. This is called Kafi. Kafi means hidden. And the key owner, according to process system, prophet Jesus. According to process system, it is the key owner is the prophet Jesus. This divine knowledge possesses prophet Jesus. And the color of the coffee is green. Green color. Imagine in meditation, color of name of God, green, and say name of God through respiration system, through your sigh. If you are doing in Qalanderia system, then offer 2 rakat salat to Hazrat Imam Hassan. Say the name of God through respiration system, and the door will be opened of knowledge. Knowledge door will be opened for you if you do the system. And the element of this is water. This divine knowledge is revealed more knowledge. You can't circle them, bound them. And this is aqua. The color of aqua is violet or black. Say the name of God in violet color or black color, and respiration system through you can chant the name of God, spell the name of God in your language. And if you are Muslim, you say Allahu. And this is possess the light. This part belongs to the light. So you can do your practices in Qalanderia order, and you can get knowledge from divine. Any Qalandar who practices, he got secret name of God from divine knowledge. Qalandar gets secret knowledge, secret name of God from divine knowledge. This is the introduction of Qalandar, and more knowledges we will produce for you in other videos. Because of my business, I am get busy, so I am say now Khuda Hafiz.